Welcome to tutorial info. In this video I'm going to show you how to go through the setup process in the Mini World Kreata game. When you open the game for the first time, you're going to see this setup screen. Here, input your age, then create your character. Just pick among the cosmetics that you like. Just whatever you would want your character to look like. Then once you're done, you can click done. You can change the name, of course, here. I've clicked done already, so I'm going to show you where to do it later. Of course, it's going to ask you to go here. But if you want to change your name, you can tap on settings. We'll first go through this thing. I'm not sure if there's a button to exit out of it, so you're going to have to just back out of the browser once it shows you that. You can change your name by going into settings, account, and then create username. Then you can just create your own username and then set yourself a password. Once you've set yourself an account there, you're gonna have to bind your email so you can reset your password or retrieve the user ID. So just put it in. Then once you've clicked send and input the code that was sent to the email you've put in, you're going to be able to, of course, submit it and bind it to your account, which will then allow you to just have your account be linked, and then you can go into just playing the game. So just enter any of the games and play however you'd like. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.